Hello and welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning how to divide fractions. At the end of this lesson, it is expected that you'll be able to divide fractions, whether they are mixed fractions or they are improper fractions or they are proper fractions. Let's get started. When you are dividing fractions, there is a special rule called the reciprocal rule. Well, when you have a fraction, let's say you have a fraction 1 over 2. The reciprocal of 1 over 2 means the inverse of 1 over 2. So you invert the numbers. So inverse of 1 over 2 will be 2 over 1. So what we have done is we have inverted the number, taking the denominator which was 2 to now become the numerator, and taking the numerator which was 1 to now become the denominator. So when you divide a fraction, in this case, here is a fraction a over b by another fraction which is c over d, is the same as multiplying that fraction a over b by the reciprocal of the fraction you are dividing with. It's only the fraction that you are dividing with that you turn into the reciprocal. You must take note of this. So the fraction that we are dividing with here is c over d. So the reciprocal of c over d will be d over c. So why is it d over c? Because we turned the denominator to become the numerator, and we turned the numerator to become the denominator. So the numerator before was c, now it is the new denominator here, and the denominator before was d, and now it's a denominator. So you can go ahead and solve this as ad divided by bc. So this is going to be our new fraction, or the answer to the division problem. Now let's look at a few examples. In this example, we are asked to divide 2 over 3 by 1 over 6. So if we follow our rule, the reciprocal rule, therefore we can say that 2 over 3 multiplied by, this is the fraction that we are dividing with. So we're going to multiply it with the reciprocal of this fraction. So this fraction, the reciprocal of 1 over 6, because we're going to take the denominator which is 6 to become numerator, and the numerator which is 1 to become denominator. So that's going to be 6 over 1. Okay, so we can multiply this out. 2 times 6 is 12, divided by 3 times 1 is 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 12 is 4. So our final answer will be 4. Or you could just have gone ahead at this point to divide 3 by 3 here, and 3 into 6 will be 2. And then you multiply the 2 times 2, that gives you 4 over 1, and then your final answer will still be 4. In this second example, we are asked to divide 1 over 5 by 3 over 4. So let's go ahead and do that. So 1 over 5 will now be multiplied by the inverse or the reciprocal of 3 over 4, which will be 4 over 3. So we now multiply the numerators, that's 1 times 4, and divided by multiplication of the denominator, 5 times 3. So this is going to be 4 over 15. Sometimes we are given mixed numbers and proper fractions to work with. Well, the simple way to go about it is to convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So we're going to convert this mixed fraction to 5 over 6 into an improper fraction. So 6 multiplied by 2 gives us 12. We add 12 to 5, that gives 17. So it's going to be 17 over 6 divided by 1 over 4. Remember, this is what we are dividing with, this fraction. So we're going to multiply with the reciprocal of this fraction. So it's going to be 17 over 6 multiplied by 4 over 1. 2 goes in 4 2 times, 2 goes in 6 3 times. So now we can multiply 17 times 2 divided by 3 times 1. So this gives us 34 over 3. So how many times can we find 3 in 34? So 3 goes there 11 times, and we are left 34 minus 33, we are left with 1. So the value of this is going to be 11 1 over 3. And this final example, 7 over 8 divided by 1 over 4. Well, the golden rule is to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So this is going to be 7 over 8 divided by 5 over 4. So this is the dividing fraction, so we want to convert this to a reciprocal, so it's going to be 4 over 5. So 7 over 8 multiplied by 4 over 5. So 7 times 4 is 28, 8 times 5 is 40. But we can't leave a fraction like this because it looks like we can divide through by 4. So 4 here, it leaves us with 7, 4 there leaves us with 10. So our final answer is 7 over 10. So in conclusion, when you divide fractions, a fraction a over b divided by fraction c over d, the reciprocal rule states that you multiply fraction a over b by the reciprocal of c over d, which will be d over c. That's it on division of fractions. Thank you for watching.